Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 2,046 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with an upper fairing, lower fairings, Polk lower and upper fairing speakers, a Sony head unit, 20-inch BBS wheels, an aftermarket front wheel, axle caps, an LED headlight, LED turn signals, an engine guard, mirrors, an aftermarket front fender, an aftermarket seat, a passenger backrest, and a plate bracket. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Freewheeler puts 90 horsepower and 119 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Freewheeler has around a 250-mile range. It has a 26.2-inch seat height and a 1,131-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and both rear tires are at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The stitching is ripped on the passenger backrest, and there are scratches on the upper fairing. This trike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.